Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of customizable lighting with the Twinkly Squares LED light panels. The panels promise vibrant dynamic lighting that you can control from your smartphone or sync with your favorite smart home devices. Whether you're looking to elevate your gaming setup or home decor, this could be just what you're looking for. The Twinkly Squares feature a modular design that displays pixel-perfect artwork for home or office space, ambient lighting or reactive gaming lights. So the kit that you have here is the starter kit. It includes a total of 6 LED panels, 1 master tile LED panel and 5 extension panels, and with all the necessary cables, power adapter and so on. Alright guys, so first the packaging is sleek and modern, which already gives off a premium vibe. The first thing we find is a thank you card, which is a nice little touch. Next we have this template, which helps installing the panels on your wall and drilling on the appropriate places. This is the user guide. It includes all the setup instructions. Don't worry, I walk you through everything in this video. In this separate box we got all the connecting cables to link the panels and plenty of clamps for connecting each panel. Here we have the power adapter and the USB-C cable for powering the master LED tile. Next up we have the light panels themselves. The main square panel feels sturdy but lightweight, and you can tell right away that it's built to last. Judging by the extra connection ports, I assume this is the main LED tile. Now each master tile connects to up to 15 extension panels, so you can create some pretty impressive layouts. Here we have the USB-C powering port, the power/sync button on the left. We can also see all the slots for the clamps and for wall mounting as well. Each panel has a nice gloss finish, which should help with diffusing the light evenly. There are 64 LEDs per panel to help create any design you can think of. Along with the main panel, there are another 5 extension panels. These will allow us to create a custom layout. Of course, you're not just limited to squares, you can get creative with your designs. And now guys, let's set the panels up. The first step is deciding on your layout. As you can see, I have all the panels laid on my desk and I'm going for a simple 2x3 setup. Once you've got your design planned, connect all the panels using the provided cables. It's a straightforward plug and play process, so you can't really go wrong here. And once you connect all the LED panels with the clamps, we get a pretty sturdy bigger panel. We can plug in the power brick to the power supply and sync with the Twinkly app. All we have to do is press and hold the power button until the light starts flashing blue, and we should be able to see the panels in the Twinkly app as available devices. Once you connect the panels to your Wi-Fi network, the app recognizes them instantly. Now guys, the app is where the Twinkly panels really come to life. It offers lots of flexibility and tons of customization options. We have the basic controls like adjusting the brightness, changing to a single color or setting up a timer. If we switch over to the Gallery tab, we find tons of custom-made designs which look really impressive. Performance-wise, the Twinkly panels deliver on every promise. The colors are vivid and the transition and movement are buttery smooth. The panels give out rich and vivid colors, and even at 50% brightness they're very bright. Of course, you can download tons of more custom-made designs. The ability to map out and create your own design in the app adds a layer of customization that's hard to find with other LED panels on the market. They're also surprisingly energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about them driving up your electricity bill. So guys, what are the pros and cons of the Twinkly Squares? First, let's start with the positives. The panels have a highly customizable layout and effects. They're easy to set up with the Twinkly app, which is also very intuitive to use. They offer vivid colors and smooth transitions, and also offer smart home integration. As for the downsides, the price might be in consideration for some. It's a premium product, so it's not the most budget-friendly option. Also, while the mounting is convenient, you might want to be extra careful if you plan to reposition the LED panels more frequently. So guys, are the Twinkly panels worth it? Well, if you're looking to add a touch of personality and dynamic lighting to your space, I would say absolutely. These panels are perfect for gamers, streamers, or anyone who loves unique and customizable LED decor. The app and smart home compatibility makes them incredibly versatile. While they're not the cheapest option, the quality and features justifies the price tag, at least in my opinion. And this wraps up today's unboxing and review of the Twinkly Squares LED light panels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.